when I was growing up, Yiddish was associated with the older generation that came over from the other side. And typically, among their children, there was no great desire to hang on to it. It was just like, I think they saw it the same way as the luggage that they came over with. It was something that was obsolete and should be left behind and was inevitably going to be left behind. No one criticized it, and they didn't say you should stop speaking Yiddish to the older generation, but it was not something that they thought would be carried forward beyond that, nor did they especially think it should be. I think the desire then was to assimilate and to leave behind most of these traditions or characteristics that came over from the old country. The idea that, well, first of all, it was never suggested to any of us to try to learn Yiddish. In fact, it was only much later I found out there even would have been possible, that there were schools that where it would have been possible to study Yiddish. I had no concept of that until quite recently. People in my family sometimes would say that Yiddish was a good language to know because wherever you went, you could always find someone who spoke it. At that time, that was probably true. But on the other hand, they never expressed any idea of how to go about learning the language if it was such a good idea to know it. We couldn't just pick it up from the Luft, as they say, you know.